Welcome to the Challenging Weight Stigma Learning Hub. The aim of this hub is to increase awareness of weight stigma associated with higher weight, its impact, and what we can do to address it. It is aimed at those working in health and social care, public health, policy, leisure, third sector, communications, and anyone who wants to learn more about weight stigma. People living with higher weight often face stigma and discrimination based on their body weight and size. The evidence is very clear that weight stigma damages health, drives inequalities, creates barriers to access services, perpetuates misconceptions that a person's body weight is a matter of personal choice alone, and compromises wider public health efforts to prevent and treat obesity. Eliminating weight stigma can have huge benefits for both individuals and communities, helping to support our national and local priorities and our vision for a Scotland where everybody thrives. The content of this hub is based on evidence, expert views, and crucially has been informed by people with lived experience of higher weight and weight stigma. The hub is made up of key topics in bite-sized sections and a range of additional resources, all of which will stimulate how you think and take action in your practice. You can choose which content to explore and in which order. It is only necessary to complete all the key topics if you wish to obtain a certificate of completion. We encourage you to start by opening up the action planning template hyperlinked below, using this to note actions that you could take in your role to address weight stigma. So open up your mind and jump in. You'll start to think differently about your role and the part that you can play in challenging and confronting the stigma and discriminatory practices and systems that impact the lives of many people living with higher weight in Scotland.